So hello everyone. The next one is take your paper and again fold it as we are doing it here. Make two equal halves, then fold it on both the sides. And this one is very, as I've seen a number of videos, so this one is quite easy design. Okay, so you have to fold the paper as we are doing it here. And my voice is actually going with every video. And yeah, so all you have to do is, okay, make few of them and your Christmas tree is all done. That was easy. Fold your paper as we are doing it here. Okay, now even I am tired of listening this. But yeah, you have to actually fold the paper and the rest is like in your hands. If you fold it nicely, you'll get your results nicely. If you don't fold it nicely, you won't get your results nicely. That's it. So dinosaurs are all done. Now taking a paper cup and that's it, the savior videos are back. So we have cut down some shapes and now what are we doing is just pasting the shapes like this on the paper cup and that's done. Now taking another paper and if you want to make this Santa Claus or the shape or whatever shape you want, cut this nicely and okay, make a hole in the between center, put a lollipop in the center candy, that's it. Okay, so fold the paper as we are doing it here. Oh god, I'm done. Okay, so what is this? This is also a playing game only. You can play with it. Yeah. Now the next one here is fold the paper in a square as we are doing it here and then all you have to do is fold it. That is all. Okay, so you'll get a starry shape like this. So we are making a frog again. I don't know, but we already told you in this video only, but that's it. If you didn't get it the last time, you can get it this time and your frog is almost done. Yeah, so frog is done. The last part of the video is you have to fold the paper as we are doing it here and the color matters sometimes the color doesn't matter, so you have to watch it and done. So thank you for watching.